welcome all of you once again. Uh, has been scheduled by Dr. Jain to address the gaps probably which we feel at times in the qualitative analysis. And as I was discussing a short while ago, that there are a lot of areas, especially in marketing, training, consumer behavior and psychology, wherein a lot of qualitative inputs are required, including the area which overarches international business as well. So for such, carrying out such research, there are methods with different qualitative methods that have been developed and validated from time to time, and researchers have been using it. So sir would be apprising us on one such method, which is a qualitative analysis using an NVivo12 software. And before we proceed, I would just like to share a brief bio about sir, so that we all know that what kind of background he is and how we can benefit from it, in the long run. So Professor Jain is an alumnus of BITS Pilani and IIFT and has more than 3 decades of experience in industry and academia, turning an entrepreneur with launch of eBusy Institute of IB and Entrepreneurship. So during his stint with industry, he has successfully handled very complex and high priority critical engagements. He has traveled widely to different countries on different engagements. He has also been associated with various reputed academic institutions. He has also headed the position of a director with one of the reputed academic institutions. And he has, to his credit, more than 20 publications in international and national journals and 2 books. He is also very active in conducting various training workshops for senior management professionals, both on a standalone basis, as well as there are a lot of coalitions that he has done with reputed forums on which he is being regularly called to take sessions on various topics related to IB, as well as to his research area and the research tools. Dr. Jain is a proud recipient of first ever Jagdish and Sage Award for Research, which was awarded to him during his PhD thesis while submission of it. So I think there is a wide, diverse range of intellectual background which he has, and then a little bit of it we would like to have transferred to us today. So over to you, sir.